What's up guys, your boy BK here. In this video, I'm going to be showcasing this awesome brand new Matchbox Japan Cruisers 5-pack. Alright guys, the first car is the 1971 Nissan Skyline 2000 GTX. This car comes in an awesome royal blue. It has very nice sample work on the sides. It's got the black chrome mold H5s, black base, black interior, and dark glass all around. Unfortunately, no details on the front or back, but it is to be expected being that it's a mainline. Next one up is the awesome 2008 Honda Civic Type R. This car is spot on in my opinion. As you can see, it comes with a very nice hot pink, black interior, nice chrome wheels. It's got very nice details on the front. You can see the Honda badge. The grille is nicely done. It's got no windows on the front or front passenger sides, but all the other windows are dark. Take a look at the back details, guys. This car again speaks for itself. Very nice piece in my opinion. Next one up is the 2002 Subaru Impreza WRX. As you can see, this car is decked out with the Japanese police deco. It's got some very nice chrome wheels, dark interior, dark glass. You can see the light bar up top. It's got a cool spoiler. No detail on the back, unfortunately, but again, it is to be expected being that it's a mainline. Very nice details on the front though. It's got the Subaru badge, and there are some little details that could have made this car stand out a little bit more and make it more desirable, but again guys, can't expect much for a $1.25 car. Very nice piece overall. Let me know what you guys think. Next one up is the 2019 Mazda III. This car comes in a very nice white color, dark glass, light gray interior. I love the stance on this car. This car is a four-door. It's got some very nice detail on the back. It's got the Mazda badge, turn signals, tail light detail, and it's got some very nice detail on the front. It also has the Mazda badge. The grille is nicely done, turn signals, headlight detail. Everything about this particular casting is just spot on. I want to say this, guys, I'm not necessarily a fan of this particular model, but I got to give credit to Team Matchbox over at Mattel for doing an excellent job on this particular vehicle. Last but not least, guys, we have the 1985 Toyota 4Runner. This comes in an awesome honey mustard color. It has the classic Toyota 4Runner tampo work on the sides, no detail on the front or the back, light glass all around. It does have the moonroof. I wish Mattel would have chosen some different wheels on this particular car, but it is what it is. Overall, it's a very nice looking piece. All right, guys, this is all I have. Please let me know which one of the 5 vehicles I showed you is your favorite. Thank you very much for stopping by. You guys take care. God bless, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.